Alright, back with another video. Today we're doing the American Express Business Gold Card. Alright, so before we get into this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And for everybody who has subscribed to the channel and show support, thank you so much. And make sure y'all check in the description box as well for helpful links. So, before we get into it, I do want to say this is a metal card. I really like that. So, let's get right into it. Let's put this card down. So, no preset spending limit. This is the charge card. I have a $2,000 carryover limit. So any purchase over $100, I can carry the balance, and $2,000 is my cap limit to my payover. Have that balance. $295 annual fee. Metal card. You get 4x points on airline, US purchases for ads, technology, gas, restaurants, and shopping. This is my 5th business card. 6 card in total with American Express. It does have a sign-up bonus. Spend $5,000, get 35,000 points, which is equal to $350. Let me see. I do have American Express pulled up right here, so I do want to go over the extra stuff that I couldn't fit up here. So get 4x points pretty much on all purchases, and then let's go down. Let's see what else. You get a 25% airline bonus. You get the hotel collection, which is the $100 hotel credit on qualifying dining, spending, and resort activities. And I will have the link below so you can click on it and check out the Gold Card and see everything. Baggage insurance, car rental, loss and damage insurance, trip delayed insurance. Basically, all the great things that come with the American Express card. Extended warranty, purchase protection, Amex offers, relationship care services. So you have all that good stuff as well that comes with the card. This is one of the greatest cards that they have for the business. Sign-up bonus is not too bad. Also, I do want to say with the sign-up bonuses and American Expresses, they have targeted offers and stuff. So let's say if you wanted a higher sign-up bonus, instead of $350, if you apply an incognito mode or use a referral link, sometimes your sign-up bonus can be higher. But I'm not sure how the approval works doing through incognito and using referral links. I always apply through logging in and then applying that way, and I'm not sure if applying through referral links and incognito can affect your approval rate. So that's just not something that I've done. Probably not going to do. I just apply regular. So yeah, Gold Card is metal, 2,000 carryover limit. As I mentioned in my green rewards video, not all cards come with the carryover limit initially. Some of them you have to build a relationship. As time go by, they'll review your account, then add it on. But this one, it was already on there once I got the card. Let's see what I said about this card. That's pretty much it. Oh, this card does not go off business credit, and it goes off your personal. It's not a hard pull after your first card. No hard pulls. Excuse me. So this was done with a soft pull as well. Also, the same day that I applied for this card, I applied for the business platinum and got approved. I did these applications back to back. I was approved for both of them. So you're more likely to get approved for all business cards in one day than you would be trying to apply for all personal. And I think they have like a one card every 5 days that you can get approved for with the personal. Some rule with that. But yeah, business cards you can approve for all of them one day. Let's see what else there is. Annual fee is not too bad to me. $295. I think that's an okay annual fee. What's this? That's pretty much it. Make sure your personal credit is in order. And for everybody who wants to know how to qualify for a business or any American Express cards, I will be doing a video on that as well. But make sure your personal credit is good, because that's what it goes off of, not off business credit, and it does not report to business credit either. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. Next is the platinum all American Express video, and then the Sam's Club store card will be coming. So if you have any questions, anything, just drop them down below. Links will be in the description. So thank you for watching.